Hi guys, I'm Miss Rhodes and I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial with you on how to check in for attendance. Please make sure that you are checking in for attendance every day when you log in. We're asking that you take attendance for every class by 1:15. That way your teachers can take roll. When you click on your team, so you will have your different teams, this is one of my teams, you will see that your teacher should have posted to take attendance on your digital days. Mine is right here. It's the attendance form. Some of your teachers will have it over here in the channel and it will say attendance in the channel. Mine is on my main page. So if you are in my class, you would click the form to fill out your attendance for this period. This is only one of my periods, but the student would put in the date. So today is October 29th. Then you would put in your first full name. So I'll just make a name up for this. So first name, what your name is, your last name. Okay, put in your last name. And then what class period are you in? You're going to click whatever class period you're in, and then you press submit. Once you press submit, it will say thank you, your response was submitted. Now, this counts as your attendance for every day in each class. However, you still have to go into your team and make sure that you are completing your assignments under the assignment tab. Your teacher will assign you an assignment every day, so you still need to go into assignments, click on assignments, and complete that. And that is what goes into your grade. So there's two parts. You need to check in for attendance, and then you need to check your assignments and complete and turn in your assignments.